I'm Graham, and today we've got an unboxing of a new slot car, and I'm very excited about this one because it's a car that's a brand that I've never had before, and I've always wanted to have one. So and it's a car that I'm always interested in. Anything that's running the Bathurst 12-hour race, or any race at Bathurst for that matter, is a car that I would like to have in my collection. So we have this one to unbox today. Right, let's get this box open and see what's inside. I ordered this from Armchair Racer about a month ago while we were still on the road, and they contacted me last week and said it was released, and so here it is. It was very nice and quick, and got a very good service from them. So let's see, underneath the box we have a diagram with a list of all the parts and bits and pieces, so that's quite handy, quite good to know. And there's the car. It's an R8 LMS GT3, and it was the 12-hour Bathurst 2017, number 75. It didn't win the race that year, but it was driven by Garth Tander and a couple of German drivers by the look of it, and it's so anything driven by Tander I have to have in my collection, because he's one of my favourite local drivers. So here it is. It's a beautiful looking car, and the livery is striking, Valvoline livery, wearing the Australian flag, and all the other sponsors. The liquid moly on the grille is very quite small and but very detailed. The Pirelli signs under the headlights. It is a beautiful car. So let's get it open out of the box and see how it looks. As I said, I've never owned a scale auto, so it'll be interesting to see what it's like and how it performs. And today I'll give it a couple of laps, but I know that you have to tune these to get them to run perfectly, so we'll do a video in the future where we pull it down, have a look at it and tune it up and put it back together. Alright, so we'll just put it straight in as is. There we go, put it on the track and give it some wraps. Right, here we go. Let's go for a run. Straight away, it's very quiet. And it's music. Car hanging out because it really doesn't have a magnet. So I have to learn how to drive that. But I like it. Really well. Very happy with it. We do slot it. Tail happy at the moment, having true tyres, having scuffed tyres underneath, so straight out of the box. Take it a bit steady at the moment, don't want to break it. course, it'll take a bit of learning how to drive this one, but doesn't like that spot for some reason. Not sure what the problem is there, but very quiet. Different thing to drive and make it's doing better than I thought it would on the track. It's doing quite really well. The track hasn't been used for 4 months, so it's a bit dirty. Yeah, so it's doing really well. I'm very happy with that. Very happy indeed. Alright, so what we'll do is we'll stop it there and we'll catch it. We'll do a further video on it when I get the track clean and everything ready to go, and we'll actually try and do some tuning on it and see if we can learn from some of the masters how to get this car to run extra well. Well, I must say I'm very surprised and extremely pleased at how well this car runs. Straight out of the box. I didn't expect that at all. I thought it'd be a bit of a pig of a car to drive until it was tuned, but it just runs beautifully. So I'm extremely pleased, and it won't be the last scale auto that I get, I can assure you of that. So if you like this type of content, please like and subscribe, and otherwise thank you very much for watching.